Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the Goodwill animation. Today I want to show you how you can create 3D icon or logo for yourself by the Adobe Illustrator and Blender. So let's go to show you how you can create this for yourself. First you should to find out a flat icon or flat logo for yourself to make this excuse me to this method. For example, I'm bring this what is so have details for itself, very amazing and good. So first I'm going to the 3D and image trace and select the love fidelity photo, and we wait to initial pixel clustering is finished and or picture become to the weight. So for that we have a image becoming to the vector, but before you expand it you should be attention when you change this to the vector. You should remove all of this background to have a perfect and killer icon for yourself. For that I'm select this and going to the object image trace and expand, and we wait to this process is finished and our vector is be ready completely. So that's good. Now I'm bring this to down to have see this background. Yeah, I'm select all of them and delete all of this background. Yeah, but you can remove a background in the Photoshop or some software like that, but I'm prepared to bring this to the Adobe Illustrator and remove all of them in here. If you delete something that attached to this logo, you can take Ctrl Z to come back to the first location. Yeah, but you can delete this additional thing in the Blender, but I'm prepare now delete it too, because this become to the busy work in the Blender and make us piss up in there. So it has been a long time I'm didn't make video for our channel. I decided to make this after the long time, so it's ready. But let's go to see it's be good or not for 3D. In the right toolbar I'm going to the 3D and material and select this before I'm select our vector, and now select this extrude excuse me for this happening. I took a lot of disease and that's so bad. So we wait to render in 3D is finished and export this to the Blender. So you have a C, we have a 3D logo that before it has been not, but now it's become to this. So I decided to export this as a 3D object. I'm select this name for that, for example something, or flower. There. You can change your format to different format that you wanted: USDZ, USDA, OBJ, PDF, SVG, and GPG 20, GPG 15, GPG 18, GPG 100, and PNG 8, PNG just. So let's go to export this to GL. So guys, in this time we're going to the Blender and we made our 3D logo to the woodwork style, and drag and drop this to the Blender to the GLTF2 format, and we wait to this import by Blender to see that what it look like. So we have this beautiful logo that we made in the Adobe Illustrator. Make that vector and now upload it to the Blender. You have a C. You can do this to easy way for yourself. Now I'm select all of them and take S, Z, and S, X, S to make that big. So I'm bring up. You can change extrude size of this to your interest size that you want. So guys, now we need to the plan. Yeah, very good. Take S and you can rotate this and put that on the floor, or keep this stood up and make that a picture for yourself. Different method that you can do for yourself. So that's good. Going to the modifier for bevel this line. Oh my gosh. Stake. Bevel. That's good. Now I'm going to the viewport shading. We need to the light, Shift A to take light, and GZ to bring up, and S. I'm going to the data to make light. I think it's good, but if you want it, you can take and give material to your plan. I think it's good. Roughness is good. So beautiful. Going to the, now I'm take Shift A to bring camera to here. GZ or from here. So I'm select the cycle, but we need to the light more, take Shift D, going to. So guys, we have a different method. You can render this by the Eevee render or cycle. Blender to have two options for you, render engine in here, cycle or Eevee. First we try this Eevee. I'm going to render image to see what's look like. Yeah, we have this. We can use this method for yourself, but change it to the cycle and see what's happening for that. Going to render image. Let's me to change this max samples to the 10. That's enough. I'm going to the render image to see that. Excuse me for this. Yeah, we have perfect details and shadow and perfect light on the 3D object that we want. We wait till this render is over and see what's happening. I'm decreasing this sample because to short time this render, and now it's ready. That's good, and perfect light and shadow and a good location for this 3D logo that we made. by Adobe Illustrator and Blender. So you can change color and saturation, contrast, and everything in the Adobe Photoshop and any software that you wanted. So to another video to make the perfect 3D object for ourselves. Be healthy, be okay, goodbye.